In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error VAL 43 in Valorant. First thing you want to do is you want to open Task Manager and check if there's any Valorant software running in the background. So you're going to disable all of it. So you would right click and end task. So if you find it, just end the task. You can search for it by typing Valorant here and go to details, do the same thing. So type Valorant and just end the task. So you want to end all the tasks for Valorant. After this, you want to go to this PC. So go to this PC, C drive, and here you want to go to users, and then go to your user, and over here go to app data, and then go to hold on. So go to local, and then go to Riot Games. So press R to find it faster. So it should be here, and then go to the Riot client, and then you want to go to config. Now you want to delete this folder here, Riot client settings. Just right click and delete. Then you can go back here, and this should fix your issue.